Hi, my name is Jason with Foxfury Lighting, and today I'm here to talk to you about some of the mounting options available for our Rugo and Rugo 2 drone and camera lights. The mounting options we have available are for some of the most popular drones available in the market today. They would be the Yuneec Typhoon H, the H520 from Yuneec, DJI Phantom 4, and the DJI Inspire and DJI Matrice series drones. Some of the benefits that we've brought to the Rugo 2 being recently released is that it's now in compliance with FAA 10729 regulations, allowing you to fly your drone at night. The Rugo 2 features a strobing mode that will strobe the light at 90 cycles per minute, and it can be seen from up to 3 statute miles away. With each one of our mounting options, the light can be directed 360 degrees, allowing you to adjust it in any direction that it's needed. As for our mounting option for the DJI Phantom 4, we have our Phantom 4 mount. You'll notice that there is a notch on the mount itself, and there's a tab on the bottom of the Rugo or Rugo 2 unit. That's so you know exactly which way that the unit would mount. Once you've lined those two up, you could go ahead and use the 2 thumb screws supplied to secure the mount directly to the Rugo. Once you have your Rugo or Rugo 2 light attached to your Phantom 4 mount, you can go ahead and attach it to your vehicle. You'll want to do so by inserting both sides of the mount into the bars. You'll twist the unit down to lock it in place, and then you'll attach the bottom bar to the mount by just pressing it into place. To remove it, you'll go ahead and repeat the same process, but in the opposite order. You'll press up towards the underside of the mount to release the bottom bar, and then you'll twist back in towards the unit to release the mount. As a disclaimer, this mount only works on DJI Phantom 4 drones, not any of the earlier or later models. The Yuneec Typhoon H and H520 mounts worked almost identically to the DJI 4 mount. The design is a little different of the mount itself, but they mount using the 2 thumb screws. Once you have your Yuneec drone mount attached to either your Rugo or Rugo 2, you're ready to place it on your drone. You could do so by placing the middle of the mount against the landing gear and twisting it until it locks into place. You'll want to slide the mount as far down to the bottom of the landing gear as possible and rotate your light inwards to go underneath your drone. The light head can be adjusted 360 degrees around, as well as the beam be focused either straight ahead or down at the ground by rotating the mount around the landing gear. The mount can be removed by reversing this order and twisting the mount off of the landing gear. For the DJI Inspire and Matrice series drones, we have our handlebar mount. It could be attached to your Rugo with either quarter 20 mount, whether it's the cold shoe or the quarter 20 that's on top. Once you have your handlebar drone mount attached to your Rugo or Rugo 2, you're ready to go ahead and attach it to your drone. You can easily do so by wrapping the bar with the strap. Insert the strap into the slot on the mount and go ahead and pull it tight from the other side. You want to position your light far away enough from the body to not cause any interference, but you'll also want to put it equidistant from your other light on your other side of your body, so that way the weight is evenly distributed. Make sure that there's no clearance issues with any other straps or the mounts. When you're ready to take it off, you could remove the mount by pressing the tab on the back side and feeding the strap back through the slot, and the mount will release. That's all there is to it. Special note should be taking into consideration that you do need 2 lights on any drone to make it evenly distributed amongst the weight for the drone to fly properly. You should also position your drone lights as far away from any antenna or electronics as possible, so that way the lights do not interfere with any signaling. Adding weight to any drone will decrease its runtime, maneuverability, and responsiveness to your controls. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If you'd like more information, please visit our website. You could reach us via email, phone, or live chat.